This is...
Take one.
Wait, is it sad? This is what we do on a Saturday night?
Yeah.
Watch floor manufacturing videos?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well...
Let's get into it.
Let's watch Hickory Gran Marnier. What do you think?
I like the green.
Yeah, well, we wire brush it,
Mm-hmm.
stain it black, sand the black off, and then put another stain so you have that nice two-tone look.
Okay.
But look at the variation.
There's a lot of variation in hickory, eh?
You sound very excited. Look at the boards too, look at the lengths.
So what kind of a home is this going into then? A log home?
A log home. I just said the guy builds a log home, so obviously it's going in a log home.
I wonder what like interior style he has.
Loggy, probably.
It's nice because it's kind of a rusticy vibe, but
It's definitely rustic.
it's like, it's still...
That looks like a paddle. Doesn't that look like a paddle? Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's the cool thing about hickory. Well, there's like, you see the knot holes, you sometimes see little faces.
I love
That's
looking
why
outdoors.
that's why my brother Mike has hickory, because he's a nut like that. Wow.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. It's better in person.
All right,
When you're there in person, it's almost over, actually. Yeah,
so
it is
tell
over.
me about the UV lights.
Well, no, we're just here to look at colors. Like,
You don't want to explain things?
no. Is that recording? It
Yeah.
is. Yeah, okay.
We're good.
Okay, next